Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the IGNOU MSW003 Basic Social Science Concepts, December 2024 Term End Examination Question Paper. We will cover the important questions, explain the concepts in simple language, and provide exam-oriented answers that can be used for your preparation. The question paper contains 5 questions for a total of 100 marks. Questions 1 and 2 carry 20 marks each, while the remaining sections contain short and medium-length questions. Question number 1. Option A. Discuss the relevance of the concepts of society and culture for social work practice. Answer. Society and culture are two fundamental concepts in social science and are extremely important for social work practice. A social worker works with individuals, families, groups and communities, all of whom are influenced by their social and cultural environments. Meaning of society. Society refers to a group of people who interact with one another and share social relationships, institutions, norms and values. Family, education, religion, economy and political institutions are important components of society. For a social worker, understanding society helps in identifying the social conditions that contribute to people's problems. Meaning of culture. Culture refers to the shared values, beliefs, customs, traditions, language, knowledge, norms and practices of a particular group. Culture influences how people understand themselves, their families, relationships, illness, education, gender roles and social responsibilities. Relevance to social work. 1. Understanding people's behavior. Social workers need to understand that behavior is influenced by social and cultural circumstances. 2. Understanding social problems. Problems such as poverty, discrimination, gender inequality, domestic violence and exclusion cannot always be understood at the individual level. They are often connected with social structures and cultural practices. 3. Culturally sensitive practice. A social worker should respect the cultural background of clients and avoid imposing personal beliefs on them. 4. Working with communities. Knowledge of local customs, traditions and institutions helps social workers develop effective community programs. 5. Gender issues. Social and cultural expectations influence the roles assigned to men and women. Understanding these expectations is essential when addressing gender inequality. 6. Social change. Social workers frequently work towards social reform. Understanding existing cultural practices helps them identify practices that promote well-being and practices that contribute to oppression or discrimination. Conclusion. Therefore, society and culture provide an essential framework for understanding human behavior and social problems. A competent social worker must consider both individual circumstances and the wider social and cultural environment. Question number 1. Option B. Explain the stages of psychosexual development. Answer. The theory of psychosexual development was proposed by Sigmund Freud. According to Freud, personality develops through a series of stages in childhood. Each stage is associated with a particular erogenous zone and developmental task. 1. Oral stage. Age. Birth to approximately 1 year. The mouth is the primary source of pleasure. Activities such as sucking and feeding are particularly important. 2. Anal stage. Age: approximately 1 to 3 years. The focus shifts to the anal region. Toilet training becomes an important developmental experience. Children begin developing greater control over bodily functions. 3. Phallic stage. Age: approximately 3 to 6 years. Children become more aware of their bodies and develop greater awareness of gender differences. 4. Latency stage. Age: approximately 6 years to puberty. Sexual impulses are relatively less prominent. Children concentrate more on learning, friendships, social activities and skill development. 5. Genital stage. Age: puberty onward. With adolescence and puberty, sexual interests become more mature. The individual develops the capacity for mature interpersonal and sexual relationships. Conclusion: Freud's theory emphasizes the importance of early childhood experiences in personality development. Although aspects of the theory have been debated, it remains historically significant in psychology. Question number 2. Option A. Highlight the importance of social structure in gender orientation. Answer: social structure refers to the organized pattern of social relationships, institutions, roles, norms and statuses within society. It plays a major role in shaping people's understanding of gender. 1. Family. The family is one of the earliest institutions through which children learn gender roles. Boys and girls may be given different responsibilities and expectations. 2. Education. Schools can influence gender orientation through curriculum, teacher behavior, classroom practices and expectations regarding occupations. 3. Religion. Religious beliefs and practices can influence ideas concerning masculinity, femininity, family responsibilities and appropriate social behavior. 4. Media. Television, films, advertisements and social media frequently portray particular ideas about men and women. Repeated representations can reinforce gender stereotypes. 5. Workplace. Occupational structures may influence gender expectations by associating certain professions or leadership positions with one gender. 6. Social norms. Society establishes expectations concerning appropriate behavior for men and women. Individuals may experience pressure to conform to these expectations. 7. Socialization. Gender orientation develops through continuous interaction with family, peers, educational institutions, media and other social institutions. Conclusion: social structure therefore plays an important role in constructing and maintaining gender roles. Social workers need to understand these structural influences when addressing gender discrimination, inequality and social injustice. Question number 2. Option B. Examine the prominent psychosocial problems faced by adolescents. Answer: adolescence is a transitional period between childhood and adulthood. During this stage, individuals experience significant physical, emotional, psychological and social changes. Important psychosocial problems include: 1. Identity problems. Adolescents may struggle to understand who they are and what they want to become. 2. Peer pressure. Young people may feel pressure from friends to behave in particular ways or adopt particular lifestyles. 3. Family conflict. Differences between adolescents and parents regarding independence, education, friendships and career choices may result in conflict. 4. Academic pressure. Examinations, Competition and expectations from parents and teachers can create considerable stress. 5. Emotional difficulties. Rapid developmental changes can be accompanied by mood fluctuations, insecurity and emotional confusion. 6. Body image concerns. Physical changes during puberty can lead to concerns about appearance and self-esteem. 7. Relationship problems. Adolescents begin developing increasingly complex friendships and intimate relationships. 8. Social and behavioral problems. Some adolescents may experience difficulties related to aggression, risk-taking, substance use or other problematic behaviors. 9. Role of social worker. Social workers can provide counseling, family support, group work, awareness programs and referrals to appropriate services. Conclusion. Adolescence is an important developmental period. Timely psychosocial support can help adolescents develop healthy identities, relationships and coping mechanisms. Question number 3. Answer any two in the examination. The question paper gives 4 options. Option A. Characteristics of culture. Culture has several important characteristics. 1. Learned. Culture is acquired through socialization. 2. Shared. Members of a group share cultural patterns. 3. Transmitted. Culture passes from one generation to another. 4. Dynamic. Culture changes over time. 5. Symbolic. Language and other symbols communicate cultural meanings. 6. Socially organized. Culture influences social relationships and institutions. 7. Adaptive. People modify cultural practices in response to changing circumstances. Thus, culture shapes people's behavior, values and worldview. Questions number 3. Option B. Social attitude and formation of attitudes. Answer. A social attitude is a relatively enduring tendency to think, feel and behave positively or negatively toward a person, group, object or social issue. Attitudes are formed through family socialization, education, personal experience, peer groups, media, cultural values, social environment. Attitudes may change when people acquire new information or have experiences that challenge existing beliefs. Question number 3. Option C. Myths and misconceptions based on physiological differences. Answer. Physiological differences between men and women have sometimes been used to create unjustified social stereotypes. Examples include beliefs that men are naturally better leaders, women are naturally less capable of decision making, certain occupations are exclusively suitable for men, women are emotionally weak, men should not express emotions, women are naturally suited only for domestic responsibilities. Such assumptions confuse biological differences with socially constructed gender roles. Social workers should challenge stereotypes and promote equality based on individual abilities rather than gender assumptions. Question number 3. Option D. Role of social work professionals in helping people cope with bereavement. Answer. Bereavement refers to the experience of loss following the death of a loved one. A social worker can provide emotional support, listen empathetically, help individuals express grief, facilitate family communication, connect clients with support groups, identify individuals requiring specialized mental health services, help families access social and community resources, Assist with practical and social difficulties following the loss. The social worker's role is to provide support while respecting the individual's unique grieving process. Question number 4. Answer any 4. The question paper provides 6 choices. Option A. Evolution of social work is an academic discipline. Answer. Social work developed from charitable and community-based efforts to a professional discipline. The growth of social problems associated with industrialization, urbanization and poverty encouraged systematic approaches to helping people. Over time, social work developed professional education, theories, methods, research and ethical standards. Universities and professional institutions contributed to its development as an academic and professional field. Question number 4. Option B. Different leadership styles. Answer. Important leadership styles include autocratic leadership. The leader makes decisions with limited participation from group members. Democratic leadership. Members participate in decision-making. Laissez-faire leadership. Group members receive considerable freedom in making decisions. Transformational leadership. The leader motivates members toward change and development. Effective leadership depends on the needs and circumstances of the group. Question number 4. Option C. Difference between learning and memory. Answer. Learning is a relatively lasting change in behavior or knowledge resulting from experience or practice. Memory refers to the processes involved in encoding, storing and retrieving information. In simple terms, learning equals acquiring knowledge or skills. Memory equals retaining and retrieving what has been learned. Question number 4. Option D. Impact of emotional stereotyping. Answer. Emotional stereotyping involves assigning particular emotional characteristics to people because they belong to a particular group. For example, the belief that women are always emotional while men should always be emotionally strong is a stereotype. Such stereotypes can restrict individual expression, reinforce gender inequality, affect relationships, influence career opportunities, create pressure to conform to social expectations. Question number 4. Option E. Challenges faced by families with elderly relatives. Answer. Families caring for elderly relatives may face increased caregiving responsibilities, financial pressure, health-related difficulties, role changes within the family, emotional stress, lack of support services, conflicts between caregiving and employment responsibilities. Social workers can help families identify resources and develop appropriate support systems. Question number 4. Option F. Components of Family Enrichment Program. Answer. A family enrichment program generally aims to strengthen family relationships and functioning. Important components include communication skills, problem-solving skills, conflict management, parenting skills, emotional understanding, relationship building, family decision-making, mutual support. Question number 5. Short notes. Answer any 5. The question paper lists 8 topics. Option A. Formal and informal groups. Answer. Formal groups are deliberately created to achieve specific objectives and usually have defined roles, rules and structures. Examples include schools, organizations and committees. Informal groups develop naturally through personal relationships and common interests. Examples include friendship groups and informal peer networks. Question number 5. Option B. Role reciprocity. Answer. Role reciprocity refers to the mutual expectations associated with complementary social roles. For example, the roles of teacher and student involve reciprocal expectations. The teacher provides instruction while the student participates in learning. Role reciprocity helps maintain predictable social relationships. Question number 5. Option C. Resistance to attitude change. Answer. People may resist changing their attitudes because of strong existing beliefs, personal experiences, social pressure, fear of uncertainty, group identification, confirmation of existing beliefs. New information alone may not always change an established attitude. Question number 5. Option D. Marital distress. Answer. In the context of family studies, this is understood as marital distress, meaning significant dissatisfaction, conflict or emotional difficulties within a marital relationship. It may arise from communication problems, financial stress, incompatible expectations, lack of emotional support or unresolved conflicts. Question number 5. Option E. Family therapy. Answer. Family therapy is an approach in which family members work with a trained professional to understand and address relationship and communication difficulties. It focuses not only on an individual but also on patterns of interaction within the family. Question number 5. Option F. Dyadic relationship. Answer. A dyadic relationship is a relationship between two individuals. Examples include parent and child, husband and wife, teacher and student, social worker and client. The relationship is influenced by communication, expectations, roles and mutual interaction. Question number 5. Option G. Babyhood stage. Answer. Babyhood is the early stage of human development following infancy. During this period, children experience rapid physical, cognitive, emotional and social development. Attachment, language development, motor skills and early social relationships are particularly important. Question number 5. Option H. Allport trait theory. Answer. Gordon Allport's trait theory explains personality in terms of relatively enduring characteristics or traits. Allport discussed cardinal traits, central traits, secondary traits. The theory emphasizes individual differences in the unique organization of personality traits. So, this was our detailed discussion of the MSW003 Basic Social Science Concepts December 2024 question paper. We covered the long answer questions, alternative questions, 300-word questions, 150-word questions and short note topics. For your examination, remember to follow the required word limits and organize your answers with an introduction, main points, relevant examples and a conclusion. If this video is useful for your MSW preparation, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and all the best for your examination.